Hi, I'm Nick from the PPF Store. Today we're going to walk you through how to set up your slip and tack solution for a successful paint protection film install. Now this is your standard 32-ounce sprayer that you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's. But we prefer to use pump sprayers as they make the installation a lot easier. In-house, we use Johnson & Johnson's baby shampoo. You can also use Dawn dish soap. According to 3M, they recommend 2 milliliters or approximately half a teaspoon worth of soap to every 32 ounces of water. So what we do to get approximately half a teaspoon is 4 little drops, 3, 4. And it's okay if you go a little bit over. This is a good starting point. If you need more working time, add a little bit more soap. If it's colder or you want less working time, reduce your soap. Moving on to our tack solution, it's 90-10 water to alcohol split. So you want to fill the water up to here and then fill your alcohol the rest of the way. I personally use a little bit less. I do about a splash and it looks like this. And that's it. If you want more aggressive tack solution, add a little bit more alcohol. By setting your solutions up properly, you set yourself up for the best chance of success on your paint protection film install.